To set double press S Pen button for media as play or pause in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, tap air actions, scroll down the screen, and then on media, tap double press S Pen button icon menu. Select play or pause. Now double press S Pen button for media set as play or pause. To use, open your media, for example in video, and then you can double press your S Pen button to play or pause. Double press to play again. And then to pause, double press your S Pen button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.